So let's start with the new point in pointer chapter, that is pointers are more flexible. Okay, so how to access the values of variable or pointer type variable, okay, in different ways. And next is pointer to pointer. It is also called as double pointer. Okay, or it is also called as chain of pointers. So what is meant by that? So first, what is pointer? Pointer is a derived data type. Clear? Pointer is a data type which is derived type. Clear? Next, what is the use of pointers? What is the use of pointer? Using pointer, we have to access the value in direct way. Or what pointer stores? Pointer stores address of another variable, or it is also called as reference of another variable. Pointer does not stores value directly. What it stores? It stores the address of another variable. Okay, so capital null is also an address. Capital null is a address. Okay, it is an address, null address. When you initialize the pointer variable using null address, that means that address, that pointer variable does not contains any address. Okay, means what? If integer pointer p is the pointer type of variable, and you can assign equal to capital null. Okay, that means this pointer variable p does not contain any address, or it does not points to any variable of type integer. Integer pointer stores the address of integer variable. Float pointer stores the address of float variable. Character pointer stores the address of character type of variable. Okay, means integer pointer does not store the address of float variable. It does not possible. It gives you syntactical error. So integer pointer stores only the address of integer type variables. Clear? Okay. Next, for pointer to declare pointer type of variable, use asterisk notation, that is star, and for address use ampersand variable. Okay, that much part we have already covered. Okay, in last lectures, basics of pointers. Now, next point, that is flexibility of pointers. Clear? First, take one example. Starts from including files, that is hash include. First file is stdio.h and second file include conio.h. Next, design main function, that is void main. Clear? Take any one variable. For example, integer variable. Suppose integer a is equal to 10. Okay, this is one simple variable, a variable of type integer, and store the value 10. That is, it is called as initialization of variable. So, memory management. This is your RAM. On random access memory, 2 bytes are reserved for integer a. Okay, you know that for integer 2 bytes in traditional C or 32-bit system. Operating system is 32-bit, then for integer it reserves only 2 bytes. If it is 64-bit, then it reserves 4 bytes. It depends. Okay. Next, so here A is a logical name and physical address. You know, every location on the RAM having physical address which is in the hexadecimal format. Okay, so for our convenience we can give the address as a decimal. So A reserves 2 bytes and initialize value to 10. This is the address of A. Okay, address, that is base address, because this location A variable having 2 bytes. How many bytes are reserved? In 32-bit system, 2 bytes are reserved. So first base address is the 100. Suppose second is 101. So this is the address, but which is the base address? Base address is 100, which is required for our pointers. Okay, so next, What is next? Suppose take one pointer type of variable, integer pointer, that is asterisk notation, and p. So now p is a pointer type of variable. So it is also a variable. So compiler reserves 2 bytes for pointer type of variable on stack partition. Which partition? Stack partition. Because storage type of both these type of variables are default. And what is default? That is mean it is stored on the stack partition. Okay, default means atto. Storage type is atto. So these two variables, one is simple variable, it is called as value variable. Second, p is pointer type of variable, both having 2 bytes reserved on the stack partition. Okay, it is done by compiler because this is the function of compiler to make static memory management for the variables. But variables are different. One is value variable, one is pointer type of variable. Value variable stores value, actual data, and pointer type of variable stores address of another variable. Okay, or reference of another variable. Understood? These are two different types of variables. Okay, so but any type of pointer variable reserves only how much bytes? 2 bytes if 32-bit system is there, and 64-bit system is there, then 4 bytes. म्हणजे मी काल पण एक रेफरन्स दिला होता. ऍड्रेस फ्लोट पॉइंटर काय स्टोअर करतो? ऍड्रेस ऑफ फ्लोट व्हेरिएबल, फ्लोट व्हॅल्यू व्हेरिएबल. इंटिजर पॉइंटर काय स्टोअर करतो? ऍड्रेस ऑफ इंटिजर व्हेरिएबल. ऍड्रेस स्टोअर करतो म्हणजे ऍड्रेस साठी जेवढी तुम्हाला बाइट्स लागणार आहेत तेवढे बाइट्स रिझर्व केले पाहिजे. फ्लोट व्हॅल्यू व्हेरिएबल 4 बाइट्स रिझर्व करतो, पण त्याचा पॉइंटर टाइप ऑफ व्हेरिएबल किती रिझर्व करतो? 2च बाइट. कोणत्याही टाइपचा पॉइंटर असू दे, कॅरेक्टर पॉइंटर, फ्लोट पॉइंटर, डबल, लॉंग, ओके, सगळ्या पॉइंटर व्हेरिएबलला किती बाइट्स रिझर्व होतात? ओनली 2 बाइट्स इन 32-bit सिस्टम and 4 bytes in 64-bit ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम. क्लियर? समजतंय? ओके. नेक्स्ट p. This is p stores. Okay, now this is only declare, this is pointer declaration because value is not assigned. Okay, so next line, p is equal to what we assign. This is a pointer variable, so we want to store address of any other integer type of variable. So here a is integer type, store the address of a. Ampersand is required. Ampersand of a means what is the base address of a? That is 100, and that 100 is stored in which variable? P. So 100 is stored into p variable. That means that p points to a. That's why it is called as pointer. Pointer points to another variable. Okay. Next is what is next? How to access value of a in different ways. Okay, direct ways and different indirect ways. How we can access value of a in direct as well as indirect ways using pointer or direct value variable. So first, printf value of a is equal to percentage a, comma. So how we can access directly value of a? Just write name of a. So what a gives you? A gives you value 10. So what is the message on console? Value of a, console means your text mode window. On that text mode window, value of a is equal to what? 10. Clear? This is one way to access value of a variable. Next, second way. Printf same value of a is equal to percentage. Now value of a, how we can access value of a? Using pointer. This is direct way. Second, indirect. So how we can access the value of a? Using indirect way, that is pointer p. Clear? Pointer p. What is the meaning of pointer p? Pointer variable having 3 different values and value variable having only 2 types of values. So pointer variable 3 types of values, just p, ampersand of p, and pointer p. Means what? Just p. Just p means what? whatever may be the value in the P. What is the value? 100. That is actually address. So 100. Address of P means what? That P location having some address. Because 2 bytes are reserved. What is the base address? Suppose take 200. That is the address of P. So ampersand of P means 200 and pointer P. Okay. It is also called as indirect operator. Okay. Dereferencing operator, which dereference the address or derefers and gives you value. Okay. Means pointer P. Derefers means what? What is the address in the or reference in the P? 100. Whatever may be the value at that address location, 100 च्या ठिकाणची value. What is the value? 10. So pointer P means value at that address location. Whatever may be the address stored in the stored in the P pointer, value at that address location means 10. So pointer P means 10. Okay. So every pointer variable having these different 3 values. So pointer P means what? Value at that address location, and that value is written and printed instead of percentage D. So again, message is value of A is equal to 10. Okay, these are 2 different ways. Now, what is the third way to print value of A? Because pointers are more flexible. Pointers are more flexible. Okay, so printf same. Value of A is equal to percentage D double quotes complete comma. So again, how we can access? For example, address of P. Okay, address of P parenthesis and star. What is the meaning of that? Address of P means what? P चा address किती आहे? 200. Okay. Parenthesis आधी काय समजणार? Ampersand of P. What is the meaning of ampersand of P? Means it gives you 200. Pointer means what? 200 address च्या ठिकाणची व्हॅल्यू. आता 200 address च्या ठिकाणची व्हॅल्यू कुठली आहे? 100. What it returns now? 100. आपल्याला काय मिळवायचं आहे? 10. A ची व्हॅल्यू. So how we can retrieve it? Again pointer means what? It is more flexible. बघा, ampersand of P means what? P चा address. What is that? 200. Star. What is the meaning of star? It derefers. Okay, ज्या रेफरन्सला तुमची रेफरन्स दिलेला आहे त्या रेफरन्सच्या ठिकाणची व्हॅल्यू. So it called as dereferencing operator. Dereferencing. कळतंय का? रेफरन्स डीरेफरन्स करायचं आणि त्या ठिकाणची काय घ्यायची व्हॅल्यू. सो इट इज आल्सो कॉल्ड एज डीरेफरन्सिंग. ओके, सो ampersand of P means 200, star means 100. 200 च्या ठिकाणची व्हॅल्यू, 200 च्या ठिकाणची व्हॅल्यू कुठली आहे? 100. and again star means what? 100 म्हणजे परत काय आहे? तो ऍड्रेसच आहे. त्या 100 ऍड्रेसच्या ठिकाणची व्हॅल्यू. सो व्हॉट इट गिव्स? 10. सो फायनल रिझल्ट इज 10. So star ampersand of P. So complete the parenthesis properly. So this is another way, indirect way of accessing value of A. So it is more flexible. Clear? So this is one way. Now any other way is there? Yes, there is another way. For example, printf value of A is equal to percentage D double quotes complete comma. So what is the another way? Just listen. P. Okay. P. Star. Ampersand. Star. Means what? Pointer P. First solve pointer P. What is pointer P? P च्या ठिकाणच्या ऍड्रेसच्या ठिकाणची व्हॅल्यू. नेक्स्ट ampersand means what? 10 जे आहे त्याचा ऍड्रेस, त्या लोकेशनचा बेस ऍड्रेस. व्हॉट इज दॅट? 100. ओके, त्या ठिकाणची व्हॅल्यू. स्टार मीन्स व्हॉट? त्या ठिकाणची व्हॅल्यू. सो अगेन इफ यू राइट star ampersand pointer p, then it also gives you what? Value of a. So indirectly we can access the value of a. Other ways are also there. For example, printf same value of a is equal to percentage d double quotes comma. So how we can access a in different ways? First, ampersand of a star. What is ampersand of a star? Means what? Ampersand of a means what?
Address of
A is the address, base address. What is the base address? 100. Again, star means what? Value at that address location. So what is the value at address of 100? 10. So this is also prints the value of a. Clear? Understood? Okay. Next, pointer a ampersand means printf value of a is equal to percentage d double quotes complete form. Okay, let's tell me what is the value. Star a ampersand. First solve star a. So what is the value of star a? What is the value of star a? What is meaning of star a? Star a means a मध्ये जी काय असणारी ऍड्रेस आहे त्या ठिकाणची व्हॅल्यू. Means what? 10. It is wrong. It gives you syntactical error. Because value variable a have only two values. One is a means value 10. Okay, and another one is ampersand of a means address. What is address? 100. But simple value variable does not having this thing. Pointer a means what? A does not store any address. A is a value variable and it does not store any address. And what is the meaning of star a? Value at that address location. म्हणजे a मध्ये जो address आहे त्या address च्या ठिकाणची value. It is not possible. It is syntactical error. So this star a and its address does not use any value. It gives you syntactical error. Clear? Flexibility कुठे आहे बघा. p च्या थ्रू काही करा तुम्ही. ampersand p, star p, त्याचा star, star चा ampersand चा पुन्हा star. Okay. Because pointers are more flexible. But accessing value through a variable, value variable. So there are only two options, either a or its address, and then star whatever may be. Look at this, address of a. It is possible. What is address of a? 100. Star means what? Value at that address location. It is possible. Okay, but star a and its address, it is does not possible. Clear? Understood? So through these different ways, direct and indirect, we can access the value of a. Direct way as well as different indirect ways through pointers. So pointers are more flexible. Okay, and pointers are mostly used in hacking systems because not directly there is no direct way to access some value. So what we do, we can access it using different indirect ways. Clear? Okay. Next, how to access address of a. So to print the address, there are two formatting types. So this is for printing value of a in different way. Now how to access address of a means 100. Address of a in different ways. So printf address of a is equal to, now formatting type. What is the formatting type? Percentage d is not used for printing address. So format specifier is either percentage u or percentage x. Okay, x stands for hexadecimal and addresses are in the format of hexadecimal. So use percentage x or percentage u. So what is meant by percentage u? Percentage d for signed integers and percentage u for unsigned integer because addresses does not having any sign. Address ला कुठलं साइन असणार आहे का? प्लस मायनस नाही. जे काय ऍड्रेस लोकेशन असतील ना रॅम ला, जे ऍड्रेसेस असतील त्या ऍड्रेसेस ला कुठलंही साइन नसतं, प्लस मायनस. तो ते प्रिंट करण्यासाठी आपण काय वापरतो? पर्सेंटेज यू फॉर्मॅट स्पेसिफाय. और जर तुम्हाला ते हेक्साडेसिमल मध्ये पाहिजे असेल तर व्हॉट यू यूज? पर्सेंटेज एक्स. एक्स स्टँड्स फॉर हेक्साडेसिमल. हेक्साडेसिमल म्हणजे कसं दिसणार? एफ 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 01 लाईक दॅट हेक्साडेसिमल सिस्टम मध्ये. आणि तुम्ही जर पर्सेंटेज यू मध्ये प्रिंट केलं तर कसे दिसतील तुम्हाला? त्याच हेक्साडेसिमलचा डेसिमल फॉर्म, इंटिजर फॉर्म सिम्पली. आलं लक्षात? त्याच हेक्साडेसिमलचा कुठला फॉर्मॅट मिळणार? डेसिमल म्हणजे 901 काय असेल तो फॉर्मॅट. अंडरस्टूड व्हाट इज द मीनिंग? सो फॉर प्रिंटिंग ऍड्रेस, टू प्रिंट ऍड्रेस ऑफ एनी व्हेरिएबल, व्हाट वी हैव टू यूज? You have to use either percentage u or percentage x. So use percentage u. So address of a. How we can access address of a in different ways? First, direct way. What is the direct way? Ampersand of. Just use ampersand of a. So what is the ampersand of a? A's address. What is the address? 100. Understood? This is direct way. So what is different indirect ways? So first indirect way, printf address of a is equal to percentage u double quotes complete comma. So first indirect way, how to access address of a? Just write p. Just write p. Okay. So what p contains? P contains address of a because you have to initialize address of a to pointer p. So this is second way. True pointer. Next, any other way exists? Yes, we can access the address of a in different ways. So, third way. What is the third way? Printf address of a is equal to percentage u double quotes complete comma. Third way. How we can access in third way? Pointer p. Pointer p means what? पॉइंटर p मध्ये जो काही ऍड्रेस आहे त्या ठिकाणची व्हॅल्यू म्हणजे 10 मिळणार. चा ऍड्रेस मीन्स एम्परसाइन ऑफ पॉइंटर p. फर्स्ट काय इव्हॅल्युएट होईल? पॉइंटर p. व्हॉट इज पॉइंटर p? p मध्ये जो ऍड्रेस आहे त्या ठिकाणची व्हॅल्यू आणि ती व्हॅल्यू जो आहे त्याचा ऍड्रेस. पण कुठला ऍड्रेस? बेस ऍड्रेस. लोकेशन जर 2 बाइट्स असेल तर 2 ऍड्रेस असणार. लक्षात 2 बाइट्सचे. पण बेस ऍड्रेस लिहिणार तो म्हणजे कुठला? 100. ओके. सो इट इज इनडायरेक्ट वे ऑफ ऍक्सेसिंग ऍड्रेस ऑफ व्हॅल्यू व्हेरिएबल. सो एनी अदर वे इज एक्झिस्टिंग? येस. बघा कितीतरी वे आपण सांगू शकतो. अजून कुठला वे आहे सांगा? काही द्या. सपोज p पॉइंटर एम्परसाइन पॉइंटर एम्परसाइन. ओके. Clear? This is. So what is the meaning? Just check it. Pointer p means what? 10. p मध्ये जो ऍड्रेस आहे त्या ठिकाणची व्हॅल्यू म्हणजे किती आली? 10. 10 च्या ठिकाणचा ऍड्रेस. व्हॉट इज द 10 च्या ठिकाणचा ऍड्रेस म्हणजे 100. लक्षात येते का? 10 ही जी व्हॅल्यू आहे त्याचा ऍड्रेस. पॉइंटर मीन्स काय? 100 च्या ठिकाणची जो ऍड्रेस आहे 100 त्याच्या ठिकाणची परत व्हॅल्यू म्हणजे काय ना परत 10. पुन्हा त्या 10 चा परत ऍड्रेस म्हणजे त्याला 100. सो युजिंग पॉइंटर्स वी कॅन ऍक्सेस एनी value of variable, that is value or its address in different ways. Clear? So pointers are more flexible. Next, but कुठं चुकतं सांगतो. पॉइंटर्स असेल तर तुम्ही काही द्या. कधी पॉइंटर, कधी एम्परसाइन, कधी पॉइंटर एम्परसाइन, एम्परसाइन पॉइंटर. क्लियर? काही रॉंग येणार नाही, सिंटॅक्टिकल एरर नाही. पण जर तुम्ही ऍड्रेस न सुरू करणार असाल ए च्या, ए न सुरू करणार असाल तर काय सुरू करायला पाहिजे तुम्हाला? आयदर ए, जस्ट ए किंवा एम्परसाइन ए किंवा ए न. पण स्टार वगैरे वापरायचा नाही. पहिला स्टार्टला स्टार वापरायचा हे लक्षात घ्या. जर मी असं लिहिलं एम्परसाइन ऑफ ए स्टार, ओके नो प्रॉब्लेम. मीन्स व्हॉट? एम्परसाइन ऑफ ए म्हणजे काय? 100 100च्या ठिकाणची व्हॅल्यू, स्टार म्हणजे काय, 100च्या ठिकाणची व्हॅल्यू मीन्स व्हॉट 10 चा ऍड्रेस म्हणजे काय मिळणार परत मला 100. पण जर तुम्ही स्टार ए ने सुरुवात केली, स्टार ए, तर स्टार ए चा मीनिंग काय, ए मध्ये जो ऍड्रेस आहे त्या ठिकाणची व्हॅल्यू. पण ए मध्ये व्हॅल्यू आहे, ऍड्रेस नाही. ए मध्ये काय आहे, व्हॅल्यू आहे, ऍड्रेस नाहीये, म्हणून इट इज अ रॉंग. सो इट गिव्स यू सिंटॅक्टिकल एरर. समजतंय? तर थ्रू पॉइंटर पी तुम्ही कुठलेही वापरू शकता, आधी स्टार एम्परसँड आणि त्याच्यानुसार कुठलीही व्हॅल्यू रिट्राईव्ह करू शकता इनडायरेक्ट वे. पण जर ए असेल, व्हॅल्यू व्हेरिएबल असेल, तर फर्स्ट टाइम एक तर ए लिहायला सुद्धा किंवा एम्परसाइन ऑफ ए आणि नंतर मग स्टार चालू शकतो. लक्षात येते? ओके. सो इन दिस different ways we can access value of variable a or its base address. Understood? Okay. Next. Okay, we will stop.